morning, children. By the way, I'm Teacher Pia. So, before we are going to start our lesson for today, let's have first a prayer. Okay? Kael, please lead the prayer. Amen. Okay? So again, good morning, children. Before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper or wrappers under your chairs and put it in your garbage bag. And then arrange your chairs properly, and I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, are all clean? Okay, very good. Take your seats. Okay, now, let's check your attendance. Okay, is everybody present today? Check if your seatmates are there. Wow, very good. Everybody's present today. So, let's give ourselves a fish clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Shh, shh. 1, 2, 3. Shh, shh. 1, 2, 3. Shh. Okay, very good. Now, before we're going to proceed to the next lesson, let's have some review. Okay. Who can answer? What was our lesson last meeting? Anyone? Oops! Before you are going to answer, what will you do? Very good. Raise your right hand in order to answer. Okay? Yes, Beverly? Very good. So the topic that we discussed yesterday is about the different colors and shape. Okay, very good answer. So you may now take your seats. So now I have some pictures in here. I want you to look at carefully and notice it. If what have you observed? So these are the pictures. Okay. From the given pictures, what have you noticed from it? Ano ang inyo nga naobserbahan sa mga pictures? Okay. Grace? Yes, very good answer. As you can see, the picture has a small tiny pieces that attach from the pictures. Okay, very good answer. Another question. Who have any idea if what do you call this artwork? Anyone? Yes, Celine? Very good. So, this artwork is called mosaic artwork. Okay, excellent answer. Very good. For today's lessons in art, we will discuss the mosaic art. Okay, so who among you here have already seen and familiar the mosaic artwork? Yes, Carla? Very good experience. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, thank you. Okay, now, let's talk about the mosaic art. Okay. Now, who can read the first sentence? Yes, Derek? Okay, very good. So, thank you. Okay, mosaic. A mosaic is an artistic technique that uses tiny parts to create a whole image or object. So, mosaics are usually assembled using small ties that are made of glass, stone, or other materials. So, ang mosaic is isa ni siya ka artistic technique wherein na ginagamit niya is ang mga gagmay nga mga pieces sang object, like small pieces sang paper, small pieces of stone, or mga pebbles nga ginatapik siya sa isa ka picture. Okay. So, typically, the tiles are squared, but they can also be round or randomly shaped. So, ang mga gagmay na siya ng mga pieces na gina-attach sa picture, pwede siyang magdalain-lain na iyang shape. Like example, circle na shape, square na shape, or triangle na shape. As long as gagmay siya, nga i-attach mo siya sa picture. So, like for example, sa sinina picture na ipakita ko gina, this one is circle na shape. Gagmay siya mga circle na shape ang gin-attach niya sa picture. Ang area naman niya is rectangle shape and square shape naman siya ng mga gagmay ang gin-attach sa picture. Okay. So, the small square style are known as tesserae. So, ang mga square ng mga gagmay, ginatawag na siya nga tesserae. Again, ang gagmay nga pieces nga square ang shape nga ginatapik sa picture, ang ginatawag sina is tesserae. And the rounder tiles are known as pebbles naman niya ang tawag. So, ang mga round naman niya mga gagmay nga pieces is ginatawag naman niya nga pebbles. Kung square is tesserae. Kung round is pebbles. Okay, very good. Okay, next. The term mosaic is likely derived from the Greek word musa. Ang mosaic nga term is gin-derive siya sa Greek word nga musa. So, ano po silingon sa Greek word nga musa? So, meaning is muse. Muse ang iyang nga meaning. So, mosaic as an art form have been around 4,000 of years. So, dugay-dugay na gini siya ang mosaic ga exist. Okay, mosaic were first discovered in ancient Mesopotamia, where small pieces of tile were found in the temple from the 3rd millennium BC. So, first na-discovered ang mosaic is sa Mesopotamia. That's why nag-exist ni siya or nag-well known ang mosaic nga artwork. Okay, so there are two main methods for creating mosaic. So, let's introduce first the first method. So, ang tawag sa first method para mag-create sa mosaic is called direct method. Again, ang tawag sa first method para mag-create sa mosaic is direct method ang tawag. So, ano siya ang direct method na ginatawag? So, using this technique, artists place the tiles directly on the final surface, whether that can be on a wall, table, or other objects. So, ang ginatawag na direct method, silingon ang mga gagbay na pieces or mga pebbles or mga gagbay na mga shape, gina-direct na siya butang sa space. Example, amo ni siya ang inyo nga wall. Amo ni siya inyo nga wall. So, direct mo lang siya datang butang. Gin-direct mo lang na siya design. Wala mo na salin-salin pa sa ibang nga object. Gin-direct mo lang din siya butang. Amo na siyang ginatawag nga direct method. So, example, if may ara ka isang table, tapos gusto mo nga designan, syempre, butaan mo lang siya na yun sa design. So, ang tawag siya is direct method of creating a mosaic. Diretso na lang saya. Muna siya. So, intindihan? Very good. Okay. Now, the second method is ginatawag naman siya na indirect method. So, kasalungat siya sa direct method. So, ano po silingon sa indirect method of creating a mosaic. So, this particular technique is ideal for large pieces with a lot of intricate details. Here, artists place the tiles on a backing paper that is later transferred to the final surface once the mosaic is complete. So, ari naman siya may pasunod. Like example, i-design mo lang, i-form mo lang siya anay sa gamay nga papel ang imo nga mga mosaic or yung mga pieces ipangkapit mo anay siya sa gamay nga surface, and then antes mo siya i-design sa dako nga surface. Hindi siya diretso. So, ako na siya nga ginatawag siya nga indirect. Gina-transfer mo pa siya sa dako nga surface. Gina-design mo siya anay. Example, gina-design mo siya anay sa gamay nga papel, and then after that, kung ma-form mo na siya ang gusto mo nga i-form nga, like example, ng picture, i-transfer mo na siya sa dako nga surface or sa imo nga final surface nga gusto mo nga i-butangan. So, amo na siya ginatawag na indirect method. Okay, so this technique allows the artist to work on a flat, horizontal surface and then place larger sections at once on vertical surfaces like walls or columns. As what I said, nga gina-design anay nila sa gagmay lang anay nga surface. And then, isa-isalin nila sa dagpo na nga surface. Muna siya. So, typically, ang artist is ga-work sila sa mga flat nga area, tapan nga area, lapad, and then horizontal siya, palaba. And after matapos na nila, gina-transfer nila sa mga dagko nga space, and then vertical nga mga surfaces like amo sini, vertical nga surfaces. Dila nila gina like example walls nga gusto nila sa linan or doors. Amo na siya. So again, ang duha ka method para mag-create sa mosaic is direct method and indirect method. Understand? Okay, very good. Now, in modern times, you'll find mosaic in form of garden art. Garden art. As you can see sa iba yung mga example are may mga namin ng mga balay. Nakita mo dito sa ilang garden na may mga pattern of mosaic art. Also, mga stepping stones sa mga dalan or sa mga damo bato. May ara dira nakita nimo may mga naka-pattern man ng mga mosaic. Also sa mga tables and wall art. Okay. So, kahit hindi lang kung ano ang natawag ng mosaic art. Okay. Very good. Okay, now, let's proceed to our next activity. Okay, now, we will have an individual activity. So, isa-isa niya ha. Isa-isa ka mo obra sini. Dapat may uniqueness. Okay. Here's the instructions. So, sketch a simple picture on your bond paper. After that, apply glue to small section at a time and lay the beads on pebbles on your drawing. So, pass it on my table if you're done and you can take your lunch. Are we clear? Okay, very good. So, now proceed to your activity. Okay, again. So, what is mosaic art? Anyone? Yes, Raven? Okay, very good answer. So, mosaic is an artistic technique that uses any parts of tiny object to create a whole image or object. Okay, very good answer. Next. What are the two methods of creating a mosaic? Yes, Prasha? Very good answer. So the two methods are called direct method and indirect method. Okay, very good. So last question. What do you call the round, tiny parts and the square tiles nga object nga gina-attach ta sa drawing? What do you call? Very good. So, ang tawag is, ang square nga tiles, ginatawag na tesserae. Ang round naman niya is ginatawag na pebbles. Okay, very good. So, now, do you have any question? Clarification? Okay, very good. So, did you understand our lesson for today? Okay, good to hear that. And now that you understand our lesson, get your paper and pencil and answer this question. This is a very simple question. Okay. Here the direction. Analyze and answer the question carefully for not less than 5 sentences. So the question is, how does Mosaic increase the value of her home? So this answer is individual and this is your own understanding, okay? Now I give you 5 minutes to answer this question, and after that, I will give your assignment, okay? Now proceed. Okay, now this is your assignment. Please write this in your notebook and pass it for the next meeting. So, the assignment is make a mosaic art which represent you as a person and tell why you choose that. Okay, is that all clear? Okay, very good. Okay, so before we dismiss, let's have a prayer. So, Angelica, please lead the prayer. Amen. So, thank you class and goodbye. Okay, keep safe.